Say it again. I'm sorry, Angel. Say it again.
So,
Marty.
I mean, I'm
so
sorry. Who said that? No, it's Angel. It's Angel who said that. Angel, say it again.
Oh, there was Mario. There was
Oh,
Mario, not
I'm
Angel.
sorry. I'm sorry, Angel. I'm sorry. Mario, I'm sorry. It's like I'm tell you your own name, huh? Mario, say it again. I'm sorry.
what I'm trying to say is that's why as soon in the morning when you first start the car, it gets a high RPM, and then later on, I don't know how many minutes, and then it start to drop down the RPM, and it because the car is getting warm already.
Exactly. You're exactly right.
All
Right?
right.
Because right now, since you just said that, right now, it's a glitch to a cold car. See, look at this right here. This is 170 up there, right? That's 170. See that? It's at 170.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And all of a sudden, it went down to 90, 91. And look what happened. At one, at look here. At this point, I had a low RPM right here. If you look at the frames, how this lines up. Let me show you. This is pretty good how to do this. I'm showing how to use a scan tool. This is how you diagnose, y'all, using the scan tool. You see how it lines up? When it was hot, I had a low RPM.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But as soon as it glitch, as soon as it glitch here, as soon as it glitched right there, right, and got that and had that and went to 191, all right, my my RPM shot up. You get that? Because it think the car is cold. So now you have a car that's sitting there surging. So what I was saying earlier is this. This is what the PCM sees as an input, right? That's an input into. God, I can't draw with this pencil. That's an input into the PCM, right? So it tells so I'm sorry, the PCM sees that low number, think it's cold. You say, okay, the desired idle is I want 1257 based on my logic. So then, right, it increased the duty cycle of the IAC. See this right here? That's a duty cycle. Now I said it was 2025 on a warm car idle. All right, so it increased the duty cycle. When it increases the duty cycle, what does it do then? It raises the idle. You see the combination? So this high RPM is bad because of a poor input. That makes sense?
Yeah. Uh, Mr. David,
Yeah.
when there's a normal car, the RPM doesn't happen that, no? They get lower, yeah?
It'd be lower, yes. When the car is
Okay,
warmed
okay.
up, no problem. It'd be a low reading. Yes.
Okay, okay. I get it now.